Hey guys, Kurlina here. Welcome back to another video. Today, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make a fried rice paper flower. It is incredibly easy and adds a finishing touch to your cake. Okay, let's get started. So to make these petals, you will need rice paper, also known as spring roll wrappers, and this is not to be confused with wafer paper, a gel food color of your choice, water, non-stick baking paper, a palette, a paintbrush, and a pair of scissors. Firstly, I'm adding some orange food gel and some water in my palette. And I'm using my paintbrush to mix them together. This is gonna act like my paint. I also made a darker shade of a color to add accents. Next step, place the rice paper on a greaseproof paper or baking paper and brush the orange paint all over it. Once you're done painting one side of the rice paper, you will notice it will curl up. That's totally normal, just flip it over and paint the other side. The reason why I'm using a paintbrush is because I only want to hydrate the rice paper. If you were to soak this, it will be very difficult to cut into petals. After 5 minutes, the rice paper will be more flexible and pliable. Then grab the scissors and cut the rice paper into strips. I'm then cutting the petals in a leaf kind of shape. You will need 10 large ones, 10 medium ones, and 10 small ones. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. I post new videos every Monday. Once I'm done cutting the petals, I'm allowing them to dry out on the baking paper for about 15 minutes. When the petals are nice and dry, it's time to fry them up. I'm heating up some oil in a frying pan and I'm frying my petals 2 to 3 at a time. If you fry all at once, you may risk burning them or their shape may be distorted, so it's better to fry only 2 to 3 at a time. Once fried, drain them on a tissue paper and allow them to cool completely. To shape the flower, pipe a big blob of buttercream onto your cake, and I'm using American Buttercream for this one. Then start adding the petals on the buttercream, starting with the large petals. Then add the medium one. And finish it off with a small petal. After adding each petals, adjust them as needed. Lastly, add a little bit more buttercream in the center of the flower, and I'm using black sesame seeds in the center of the flower. You could also use sprinkles if you prefer. And here's how you make a fried rice paper flower. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. Make sure to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok at kurlinasfoodiechronicles. If you do recreate this, please tag me on Instagram using the hashtag kurlinasfoodiechroniclesbakes. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, spread the cake love.